Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of Legit Finance. Today in this video, as you have already read in the title or seen the thumbnail, that's why you have clicked this video. We are going to study wave theory, the tool of market makers. What is wave theory? Okay, what is wave theory? How it is used and how we can use it in our favor to move with the big ones. So wave theory it is called fully as Elliott wave theory. Elliott was a scientist that gave this theory, but we have to just know the practical. So how it works? Okay, these are the structure. These are the lines of market like this. Lines of market. We call it a wave. Okay, what happens? These waves, as per my considering, I consider these waves on the basis of a trend line. Okay, we have a trend line. Whenever a trend line is formed, how a trend line formed? A trend line is formed by two touches. Okay, a trend line is formed two touches. Then the wave theory starts here. Just watch carefully. This first wave, we will call it a first wave here. On touching the trend line, we will call this wave second wave, and then when it go up, we call it the third wave, and then when it will go down, we will call it the fourth wave, and then when it will go up, we will call it the fifth wave. On the basis of trend line, we will count these waves on the basis of trend line. Like this is when it touched this, we counted it second. When it moved from here, we counted it first. When it moved from here, we counted it third, and when it touched here, we counted it fourth. So what happens that this is a wave theory that works 90% or 80% of the times. What happens that when we have fifth wave over, this is the third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. When the fifth wave is over, the market generally breaks the trend line and the trend is changed. So by the mean trend is changed, we can capture big trends, big new trend. We can capture new trend from this. So let me show you the entry place. So is this setup in wave theory? What we have to do is to buy on this trend line. Okay, get the market up, sell on the top. When it will come down, buy, sell. We have to do it till the five waves. So how we can buy at the low and sell at the top? It cannot happen. Yes, it is not more likely to happen, but I have something price range that can do it. Okay, so first we'll see example in charts. Okay, so as I told you, we have to make trend line, a trend line. So I need of the trend line. This is a trend line, isn't it? Okay, sorry for this. This is a proper, we need a proper trend line. This is a proper trend line. So we have the first wave correction, second wave correction, sorry, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. And after the fifth wave, the trend is changed. Okay, so what we have to do, we have made a trend line. After this, by connecting points these 2 points, what we have to do is to, whenever the market touches the trend line the third time, it touched it here, but we will consider it here, it touched it here, keep the stop loss below the previous zone and take the big targets. So how we can exit it? So what we have to do, the target should be this correction from this to this. Okay, we have to just point this price range above this swing, and that's our target, and that's our target. So it's 1:4. Okay, we have to same do that every time, because what happens that the buyers push the market from, we can see this is another trend line. Wait for a minute, this one quite choppy. Okay, let me make it, oof, let me make it like professional. Okay, we have the first correction, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, and the trend is changed. So you will say, where the trend is changed, it is just a small correction, but this trend is also a small trend as compared to that trend that I showed you previously. So the more the trend is big, the more the trend will reverse bigly. Okay, the more capture you can capture. Okay, so I'm just giving it as example. When we have this trend line, when it came here on this candle, we can buy. As I told you, stop below this swing. Okay, the target you have to just price, use the price range, just do this and take it to the top. Okay, just so top पे ले जाना है. Okay, you have to take it to the top, and it's 1:7, 1.5, roundabout 1.5, but you can take it at to the top. How? Just double this. You have the amount of this. If this amount is small, you can also take this first wave. Okay, this is something like a big thing, but this week to week. Okay, not just project it further, you will see it. Or if you will take it from exactly to the top of the this to the exactly to the bottom of this or the first wave, you can get the target. So it's like 1:2. So basically the risk reward ratio is quite good, and the probability is more good than it is work 90 and 80% of the time. This is not my setup because I trade on the overall market structure. This is just for scalpers or just for small time frame traders that trade under that have to close trade between 1 hour or between 15 minutes or between 30 minutes. So what you can do, you can just cover these small trend line, because in this small trend lines the move is small but the move is just very fast. So you can capture the trade very fast just for scalper. It is for scalpers. But if you have to use this on a big time frame, you have to see big trend lines that I showed you here. Okay, this is one of the big trend lines. So this will give you big risk reward ratios. So that's what I meant, what I told you in this video. But this video has another part, that is after breaking the trend line on the first pullback, you can also short it here. What you can do is to just mark it from Fibonacci, mark from the top to the bottom, trade at, okay, you have to mark resistance zone, a resistance zone, okay, a resistance zone. You have to see if there is an kind of selling. Okay, we got some selling here, you can short it here. So what happens that after the break of trend, markets start giving you retracement trades from these zones. These are high quality support zones. So market starts giving you trades, retracement from these zones. So you can just short on retracement on the basis of these zones. So, or you can just buy on these zones like this. You can buy here, you can buy here. So that's another part of the video. So thanks for watching this video. I will keep this video short because it's already 8 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and do subscribe the channel.